Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I am teaching an important theorem of differential calculus, Taylor theorem. Let's see. Taylor theorem. Taylor's theorem. Very important theorem. The statement, if a function f defined on closed interval a plus h is such that number one, the n minus 1th derivative of m to the power n minus 1 is continuous in closed interval a plus h, and number two, the nth derivative of f to the power n exists on open interval a plus h, then there exists at least one real number, theta between 0 and 1, theta is less than 1 is greater than 0, 1, such that f a plus h is equal to f a plus h f dash a plus h square by factorial 2 f double dash a plus h cube by factorial 3 f triple dash a plus h to the power n minus 1 by factorial n minus 1 f n minus 1a plus h to the power a 1 minus theta n to the power p by p third bracket n minus 1 factorial fn a plus theta h. We have to prove this, and that is the condition where p is being any positive number. First of all, we observe that the condition 1 in the statement implies that all derivatives exist and are continuous in closed interval a plus h. Consider a function phi defined on a plus h, closed interval a plus h, such that phi x equal to fx plus a plus h minus x f dash x plus a plus h minus x square by factorial 2 f double dash x plus a plus h minus x to the power n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial f to the power n minus 1 x plus f into a plus h minus x to the power p, where a is constant to be determined such that phi f plus h is equal to phi a. Let's see. F a plus h equal to plus h f dash a plus h square factorial 2 f double dash a h n minus 1 n minus 1 factorial f n minus 1 a plus a h to the power p. If you put here a plus h and you get one condition, if you put here a you get another, then if you put a phi a plus h equal to phi a, then you get this result. Okay, then you get this result. F a plus h is equal to f a h f dash a plus h square by factorial 2 f double dash a plus h n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial f to the power n minus 1 a plus h a is to the power p. Now number 1, f dash, f double dash, f n minus 1 being all continuous in closed interval a plus h. The function is continuous in closed interval a plus h, and function f dash, f n minus and a plus h minus x to the power r for all r being all derivable in open interval a plus h. Then the function phi x is derivable. The function phi x is derivable in a plus h. Okay. And since f dash, f double dash, f n minus being all continuous, so the function is continuous in closed interval, and here we find phi x is derivable in open interval and phi a plus h equal to phi a. Then the function phi satisfied all the condition of Rolle's theorem. What is the condition of Rolle's theorem? If a function is continuous in closed interval ab, if a function is derivable in open interval ab, and phi a equal to phi b, then there exists at least one point c, that phi dash c equal to 0. Here we find that function is continuous in closed interval, since f dash, f double dash, f n minus being all continuous in closed interval ab, and here we find f dash, f n minus and a plus h minus x to the power for r being all derivable in open interval. Then the function phi x is derivable in a open interval a plus h, and phi a plus h equal to phi a, as because we choose a such that phi a plus h equal to phi a, so it satisfied all the condition of Rolle's theorem. Hence, after derivative phi dash x equal to this, after here phi x equal to this, here phi x equal to this, phi x, if you derivative, then this f dash x a plus h, here we find f minus f dash x plus a plus h minus x f double dash x. In this way, if you cut and you get this result, this phi dash x equal to a plus h minus x to the power n minus 1 factorial fn x minus ap a plus h minus x to the power p minus 1. So phi dash for theta, at least one value of theta between 0 and phi a plus theta plus h equal to 0, phi dash. So put here that is equal to 0. After that you get a is equal to h h to the power n minus p by into 1 minus theta to the power n minus p into n minus 1 factorial f to the power n a plus theta n, and putting these all in this equation, here putting the value of a, you get this result. Thus f plus h is equal to fa plus h into f dash a plus h square factorial 2 f double dash a plus h cube by factorial 3 f triple dash a plus dot h to the power n minus 1 factorial f n minus 1 a plus h to the power n 1 minus theta n to the power 1 minus theta to the power n minus p by p into n minus 1 factorial f to the power n a plus theta h. So hence the complete result. Thank you so much.